Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear student, grade 4. Today we are going to study lesson 2, million. But before studying million, we should remember the greatest number formed from 6 digits. As we know, the number is 999,999. So if we asked about the number that is just after 999,999 is what we add 1, as you see. So 9 plus 1 equals 10, put 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 9 equals 10, put 0 and carry up 1. Again 1 plus 9 equals 10, put 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 9 equals 10, put 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 9 equals 10, put 0 and carry up 1. And finally 1 plus 9 equals 10 and we put 10. Now we have units, tens, hundred, thousand, 100,000, 10,000, sorry, 100,000, and the new place value is called million. And now we can say that 1 million is the smallest number formed from 7 digits. Now we have 3 families for the large number. Units family consists from units, tens, hundreds, and family of thousand formed from thousand. So again, family of thousand formed from 1,000 place, 10,000 place, 100,000 place. And the third family is millions family and formed from another 3 place value, million, 10 million, and 100 millions. Now we are going to learn how to read this number. Letter A, we have units, tens, hundreds, and thousand, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, and the new place value is million. So read from the left hand side and start from the greatest place value. So we have 2 in million. So 2,687,570. Letter B, units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and million, and 10 million. This is the new place value, 10 million. So now we can read the family of million, 73,421,685. Letter C, we have family of units, family of thousand, and family of million. Now we have 3 place value. So start from the left hand side, 565 million, remember million, 253,601. Go to exercise 1 on page 5. Look at the abacus. The first abacus here we have units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and million. So we have 7 place value or 7 digits. In units we have how many balls? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So put 6 in units. And in tens we have 2 balls. Put 2. In hundreds we have 3. In thousand we have nothing, so we can write 0. 10,000 we have 1. And in 100,000 we have nothing, so put 0. And in million we have 1, 2, 3, 4 balls. Now we have family of units, family of thousand, and we can read from the left hand side. Start from the greatest place value. We have 4 in million, so 4,10,326. The next abacus, in units we have 0. In tens we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens, nothing in hundreds, and 3 in thousand, 1 10,000, and 1 2 3 400,000, and we have 2 in million. So start from the left hand side, we have 2 in million, so we have 2,413,060. Again, 2,413,060. The next exercise, put the digits of number in suitable place value. We have 147,200,000 and 465. So we have 465 and 200 in family of thousand, and in family of million we have 147. This is in digit, and in letters we can write it here. So our rule, it said that as we read, as we write. So we read 147 million, so write it 147 million 200,000. So write 200,000. $465. And 65. So as we read, as we write, and now we can write or fill our table. Now we have start from units. In units I have 5, so put 5. In tens I have 6. 4 in hundred, 0 thousand, 0 10,000, and 2 in 100,000. And million we have 7 in million place value, and 4 in 10 million place value, and 1 in 100. This is if he asked about the place value. But if he asked about value, what we do? We 5 in units. 5 in units equals 5, and 6 in units equals 60. Value of 4 in 100, we write the value. 4 in hundreds equals 400, and 0 in any place value equals, وانا بشرح عادي. 4 in 100 equals 400. 0 in 1000 equals 0, 0 in 10,000 equals 0, and 2 in 100,000, so 200,000. Value of 7 in million equals 7 million, has 6 zeros. 4 in 10 millions equals 40 million, 40 and 6 zeros. Okay, in 100,000, so in 100 million, 100 million, 106 zeros. Now we have exercise as expand form. As you see, expand form according to families. So we have a whole number formed from 7 digits, but I have 3 space. So 3 space, it means 3 families. So we have the first space, family of units. We have 542. And family of thousand, we have 270. And family of million, we have only 5 in million. The next whole number, we have a number formed from 8 digits, but we have 7 space, so expand according to families. So the first space for the first family, 902, and the next space 4,000, and he write it, so 453,000, and in million I have 85. The same exercise, if he didn't write million or thousand, what shall we do? Family of units, we write only 902, but the next family, family of thousand, we should write the number with its zero, so 453,000 plus family of million, so we can write 85 million with 6 zeros. Now open your book, page 8, exercise 6. Join the two cards which express the same number, equals the number. So the first card, we have 1,150,000. We can write this number in digit. So write 1,150,000, 150,000, 670. Now search for 1,150,670, 1 million, and join. The next card, 1,170,000. So 1,170,000, 650. So 650. And search for this number, 100, and join. 1,170,650. The third card, 1 million, write 1 million, 150,000, 150,000, 760, and search for this number and join. And the last one, 1,170,000, 560, and join this number. Now we must note that quarter million equals 250,000, and half million equals 500,000, 3/4 million equals 750,000. Now we can solve this exercise. We have 2.5 million pound equals how many pound? So 2 million equals 2 million, and half million equals 500,000, so we can write it 500,000. Letter B, we have 5 and 3/4 million, so write 5 million, and 3/4 equals 750, as we know, 750,000. And this is all for our lesson today. Thank you.